Come on, guys.
Hi. Baldy 1, 2 and 3. Yeah.
3 eyebrows went there, yeah?
You do our eyebrows as well, yeah?
Yeah, we do everything.
Yeah.
You got your hair off, mate.
Hello.
You're starting to like that, aren't you?
I am. I'm
Go on.
getting a bit attached, Phil. I don't think I want it to be cut.
Let me see you taking some selfies.
Oh. Oh, Andrew, you're in the back of that one. You're ruining it. You're getting in the way now.
By the way, everyone, this is prior to a fitting.
Yeah, it's not been cut yet. Not that you can tell. Joe's just having some ultra hold put on his barnet.
Tell me you love me.
I love you.
Tell me you love me.
I love you.
Tell me you love me.
Should I stop recording and leave
No.
you two alone? I'll go down.
Come on, give it a shake, guys. Come
Here
on.
we go. I'll mess it up a little bit. No. You're fine. Wouldn't worry too much, I haven't been cut yet. Just training it already.
No. Steve has come in and said, can you just give me no hair, please?
This is my scared face.
Sorry about this, mate.
I can't see you.
You meant to be chatting, Joe, rather than
Yeah, I was,
rather than
no, I was,
putting me on the spotlight?
no, I'm just getting the hair in first. Top knot's gone.
Yeah, yeah. So,
How you feeling about that?
I'm a little bit gutted. No,
Thank you for coming, guys. You're actually on video now, by the way.
Stop posing then.
Thank you for giving me hair.
Alright, that's no worries. It's
Thanks again, Phil.
a gruesome threesome. Looking good, I tell you.
Master.
It's the masterpiece, yeah?
Very nice.
Very nice.